And today I want to talk to you about the newest and latest design in our air mover series, the low profile air mover. Its compact and lightweight design delivers high volumes of airflow and can reach all your drying needs. Its two positions of airflow is first off horizontal to move large volumes of air across the floor or drying carpet or hardwood floors. Also, we can stand this up vertically and get air. Now, if we place this against a wall at about a 45-degree angle, we can move air down this wall great distances. So, often drywall wants to wick or suck that moisture up, and it's hard to dry that. So this fan is great for doing that. It also has a built-in handle, as you can see. It's ergonomically correct and easy to carry. It's kind of like carrying a suitcase. If you've ever carried those centrifugals and know you kind of got to walk around with them out here like this and they're weighing 35 pounds, they get kind of awkward. So this built-in handle makes it real easy. On the back side, we also see that we have built-in duplexes. So we can plug 2 units into this one. So that's a great feature, because if you got one outlet or maybe 2 and you've got to run 4, 5, 6 fans, one finds a wall, another one plugs into it, another one plugs into it, another one plugs into that. We kind of refer to that as daisy chain. We can stack up to 6 of these units for transportation, and that's real important also, because with its flat bottom, we can stick a hand truck underneath, transport 6 units, very easy for transportation. And as far as stacking goes, they nest very, very well. As you can see, when I put them on top, they don't tend to slide off of each other. Great on carts and things like that. The handle also comes in handy when you're stacking them on a shelf in the bookshelf style, because that handle enables you just to pull it off the shelf when you're heading out to the job. So for versatility, compactability, transportation, high volumes of airflow, this little low profile air mover is an absolute must-have in your DIY toolbox. And this morning I want to discuss with you our multi-position, lightweight, low profile air mover. This one of the things I really love about this air mover is it's so easy to carry. You just kind of carry it like a briefcase. This fan is a multi-position. So the positions include horizontal, great for drying floors, carpet, wax, whatever. So in the horizontal position. And then I can also elevate it to dry and put air on the walls. So if I put this up against a wall, I can move air down and it'll actually stay on the wall for quite a distance to help dry water that may have wicked up the baseboard or drywall or areas like that. It's got 3 speeds, as you can see here on the back of the unit. These 3 speeds are obviously high, medium, and low. And I got 2 110 outlets. Sometimes we don't have a lot of plugs in a room and we want to put more than one piece of drying equipment in the room, maybe a couple of fans, so I can plug them into here. This fan has a built-in cord wrap. It's quiet, great for drying. It'll handle all your drying needs. So again, the low profile air mover, multi-position, lightweight, easy to carry, lots of airflow. It'll satisfy almost all of your drying needs.